Yeah.
So we're going to talk about columns, putting lights on columns, putting lights on trees. And so I've done these columns here. We actually use the no wrap strap on these columns here, on these four. And then I'll show some pictures of on the side of the church that there's the same size columns. And I actually did just going around the tree or going around the column in a swirl motion. And so both of them took the same exact amount. These are about 12 to 14 feet tall. And I'm going to tell you the difference between using the no wrap strap and doing it just the old-fashioned way of going around and around and around. So first off, DJ was there helping me, and when we did the front of the church, we did the no wrap straps. They've been up this is December 14th. I put them up about the 1st of November. I put them up early. Actually, I put them up in October. They haven't slid down. I didn't nail them in. I just put them on tight, and you'll see me when I'm putting them in when I'm going around here. The thing that took me about 7 minutes and 50 seconds to do each pole with me and DJ. DJ was on the bottom, I was at the top. If I was doing this by myself, it would be a lot of up and down, and it would probably take me twice as long. It did kind of take us a little bit to figure out how many strands and how close to put them. We put them too close, we put them too far, and each time there will be the line a little left over. It was about halfway up the pole, so we just made sure that if there was a bad spot, they were in the back. When I was wrapping these, I was just going up and down, and then we just twisted the top of it to make it look good, to kind of give it a swirl. But if you look at the pictures of before, if the ones on the front of the church versus the ones on the side of the church, you really can't tell a difference if I use a no wrap strap or not. So the difference is when I went to the side of the church and I did the side of the church, there I went around just myself. DJ was actually doing something else, and it took me right at 8 minutes per column to wrap. And like I said, these are probably 12, 14-ish feet tall is where they're at. Both sides they're all the same. And so the time-wise was actually, it was quicker to me do it by myself than two people, right? Because if I would, hopefully two people. Now, takedown, obviously we'll be able to unwrap it and they'll all fall right to the ground. The way I do it, you'll have to unwrap it and get it all the way back down the old-fashioned way and wrap it that way. So I do think that coming down will definitely be a lot faster with the no wrap straps, but I do think by myself it would be quicker to just do it the old-fashioned way and wrap it. But that's just my honest opinion. If you've used the no wrap straps, let me know what you think about them in the comments down below. Thank you.
listen up.